So from this image, we have learned that the design size is 11 by 8.5 inches. The template size should be 11.5 by 9 inches. We're going to need size SS10 Hotfix stones, and we're going to need 1,158 of them. Some designers include an image once you download the zip file, and others you choose to put this info in a document, but be sure to always look for this. Now, when I downloaded the zip file, it came in like this. You open it up and you can choose between these different file types. Because we're using Cricut Design Space, I usually use the PNG file or either the SVG. Don't really work with these two. So let's go ahead and move on into Cricut Design Space. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload the PNG to our canvas here. Now I like working with the PNG because the background is already removed. We'll go ahead and select single layer and continue, upload. Now the design comes in really big, but we know from our graphic there what size we need to size it down to. So we're gonna resize this to 11 by 8.5. All right, perfect. Now, according to our designer, this should be perfect size holes for a size SS10 stone. If you want to check that, a really easy way to do it is to add a circle to the canvas here. I also like to change the color so that it stands out from the other circles. And what I've learned over the years, the actual size of a 10 SS stone is 0.127 by 0.127. You see it changed, 0.127. Let's unlock that, and I want it 0.127. So we can lock that back. And what I am going to do is make this a little bigger so you guys can see. Maybe even a little bit bigger. Okay, so the goal here is that if this red dot fits perfectly over one of the stones, i.e. black dots that we have here, that means that it's going to cut correctly on the material that we're going to be using, and it does match. So if you have trust issues like I do sometimes, this is a great way to test to ensure that your template is going to cut properly. All right, guys, I just want to share with you this short tip. Now, the full video is already up. I did go ahead and link that below. Also, all the tools that I use to complete this particular project are linked in my Amazon store, so check it out.